In this video, I will be walking through my email agent that handles creating drafts, finding new emails, and reading them and labeling up my emails for me, so I don't have to do it myself. And I'm just gonna get right into it. So the way it works is that I use Telegram to talk with the assistant. So if we go in here and I say, can you create a draft to, and then I have a couple of fake emails over here that I use as tests to about meeting up tomorrow at 10 p.m. If we go to the drafts, yeah, there it is. Yeah, cool. So that is essentially it. I mean, I can also ask for, can you send the 10 latest unread emails as a summary. I don't even think I need to like add as a summary because it will already do that for me. But I mean, I can add it. But yeah, it's just something I noticed that you don't really need to add a bunch of things. So here are some emails that I have not read. So that's it. But if we're gonna get into like the entire flow, and I'm just gonna turn it off right now, because the way it works is that we trigger the chat by sending a message, and when I've sent the message, it gets into Telegram, and then I edit the fields. I take the message and chat ID because those things I need. The message I need because the AI needs the information. And then I add it here as the prompt, the message. And then I have this, what is it called? This system message, which tells the AI what it should be doing and how it should behave. And then I add a model. You can add whatever model you want. I usually use 4O Mini. And then I use a simple memory, 20 contents length is fine. In here, I actually add the chat ID from the Telegram as well. And then I have a couple of tools. I have the get contacts over here for getting all the contacts. And then in case I receive an email about some sort of event, I can, and I don't have that event on my calendar, I can just ask it to just add it to my calendar as well. But it's primarily not really supposed to change my calendar. But if I were to receive a invite to something, yeah, just add it there if I approve of it, you know. Another thing is that this gets all the gets messages depending on, like, as you saw, I said like get the 5 latest messages, and that's what I did. And then mark them as read, add some labels, create a draft. And once it has gone through like all of these tools pretty much, the next step is just sending the text message to me, back to me, with the information. So the output from this, it sends it back to me. And that's essentially the entire thing. And then once again, I'm going to share his workflow in the description, so you're going to be able to access it and use it. But the entire thing, like, I guess the next step where I can see that this will be even better is if it will be able to send like a daily summary of all your emails, and just tell you that these are all the emails you received today, blah blah blah. Because I don't know. It depends really on how often you want to check your email. I mean, if you want to have a update on your emails all the time, well, then you can just text it all the time. But if you want like a summary of your emails, you can just get a summary at the end of the day. It's just up to you. It depends on how many emails you get. Yeah. So that really depends on how your time is like locked up in terms of like reading emails. But that's pretty much it. Like, this is something I've built myself, and yeah, through watching YouTube videos and all. So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. So thank you for watching.